Hello viewers, our today's topic is arithmetic progressions. Exercise 1.3. A spiral is made of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi equal to 22/7. Length of successive semicircles is L1, L2, L3, L4 with centers at A, B respectively. Now how to calculate the length of a circle? Length of a circle equal to its perimeter. So perimeter of a circle equal to 2 pi r 2 into 22/7 into r. But here we are taking only half of the circle. So how to calculate the length from here to here? Calculate the length L. Length L equal to perimeter. So pi into r, perimeter of this semicircle. So length or perimeter of a semicircle equal to pi into r, 22/7 into r. This is the radius. In circle this is radius. So this is pi r. Length is pi r. So now let us calculate. This is the center A. This is a semicircle and its length is L1 equal to pi into r. This is another semicircle. So its center is B. So its length is L2. L2 is equal to pi into r. And this is another semicircle with center A. Its length is L3. Pi into r. This is another semicircle with center B and its length is L4 is equal to pi into r. So L1 equal to pi into r for the first semicircle. So its radius is 0.5. So L1 is pi into 0.5. L2. So L2 is pi into r. Its value, radius value is 1 centimeter. So L2 is pi centimeter. This is pi into 0.5 centimeter. L3. L3 equal to pi into r. Pi into the r value is 1.5. So 1.5 into pi centimeter. L4 equal to pi into r. Its value is, the radius value is 2 centimeter. So 2 pi centimeters. L1, L2, L3, L4 so on till L13. So for the 13th semicircle, pi into r. R value is, the radius of the first semicircle is 0.5. Radius of second semicircle is 1 centimeter. Radius of third semicircle is 1.5. Radius of fourth semicircle is 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6 centimeter. So the radius of 13th semicircle is 6 centimeters. So substitute that value here, 6 centimeter. So 6 into 5, 6 pi centimeter. There are totally 13 semicircles. The value of n is 13. So first semicircle, second semicircle, third semicircle, fourth semicircle up to 13th semicircle. So this forms an AP. The first semicircle value, length L1 plus L2 plus L3 up to L13. So L1 value is 0.5 into pi plus L2 value is pi, L3 value is 1.5 pi up to 6 pi. So A is, this is A1, A2, A3 and this is AN. A1 is, first term is 0.5 pi. Common difference D is pi minus 0.5 into pi. A2 minus A1. 0.5 pi. The common difference is 0.5 into pi. Now we have to find the total length. Total length means what we should calculate? Sn. We should calculate Sn. So Sn equal to, the formula to find Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here totally 13 semicircles are there. So 13 by 2, n value is 13, 2 into a is 0.5 into pi plus 13, n value is 13 minus 1 into the value of d is 0.5 into pi. 13 by 2, 2 into 0.5 is, 0.5 into 0.5 is, sorry, 0.5 into 2 is, 5 2s are 10. Place the point after one digit. So 1 pi plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 0.5 into pi. 13 by 2 pi, 1 into pi is pi plus 12 into 0.5 is 6. 12 into 0.5 is 6. 6 this pi. 13 by 2, 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi. 13 into 3, 13 by 2 into 7 into pi value is 22 by 7. Cancel this 7. 11 2s are 22. 13 into 11. 143 centimeter. S12 is 143. The value of S12 is 143 and the total length of spiral made up of 13 semicircles. 143 centimeters.